This is the last part that I'm making in my machine shop today. Actually, ever. We sold the house and the shop's going with it. It is a NEMA 23 mount for the people who order the PM25 and the 704 kits with a NEMA 23Z. They get that piece. So we make those. It takes a while to make that. Actually, the 34s are a little bit easier to make than NEMA 34 mounts. So the IH is going to have to be cleaned. Everything gets cleaned off the IH. And going to disassemble the head. Take everything down. And you know, we're not moving far. We're just moving across the street. So this is a look of the old shop. It's been a really good shop. Got the tools. Little window action. Mach 3 computer. Gotta have tunes. Pandora. My workbench. This is funny because I really like the workbench. I made it nice and extra strong. And I need to clean it anyhow. But I think I built it inside of here so it won't go through the door. So that's a little bit of a challenge. So, and then just more junk over there. We've got the PM940 sitting here with an extra electric motor on it. Kind of hard to see. The CNC kit is done for that. All done. I just got to put it together. We're going to start rock and roll on that machine. That's going to be a great machine. The column, where's it called? There we go. Column's nice and big, massive on it. The head is an inch. There's the head. It's an inch longer than the IH head, which is actually an inch longer than the RF45. So it's a nice big head. 13 inches of real Z on the, that's before you mod the case on the 940M. And then the PM25. I use that every once in a while. I don't use it too much because I got the bigger machines. But it's a good mill and it's all running and everything. It's going to go across the street. All my toolboxes and stuff. I like the place to lay it on this. I got a full-length shelf all the way across the top. So it gives me more places to put stuff. And then this is my router table. CNC router table. We've used this for about 6 years. I've used it probably for thousands of parts. It's really been a reliable machine considering I didn't have any fancy tools to make it. So then probably my favorite tool is the, it looks like a safety symbol, but it's not. It's an AI made in Holland. I don't know if I can get down there or not. There we go. Made in Holland lathe. It's actually nice. The base is all one big cast piece of cast iron. A high-low switch, forward and reverse. So you have 4 speeds. Plus it's belt drive. Let's get the lid open. Belt drive, so there's no gears, so it's quiet. 6-inch chuck. It's actually a great lathe. 2,000 pounds. We're just going to pick that up and roll it across the street. So, yeah, the shop has air conditioning, and all the walls are insulated, which you kind of need in Arizona. So, that's it. The final look of the shop. Actually, we can tear down the old cruddy curtains now because we're going to be done. So that's it. Say goodbye to Dave's shop. It'll be a couple of weeks until we get the new one back and running. It's not as nice as this one. The walls aren't all finished. And I'll be there for probably 3 or 4 months. And when I buy the new house, I'll build the new shop. So I guess we'll have to have a video of building the new shop. I'm actually not going to make it any bigger than this one. Actually, I would make it. I'd probably make it something a little bit smaller than this one, but not much. So the router table is going to go with my brother, so I won't have that. So that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching. And we'll go back to the last part, the NEMA 23Z mount.